Did you know that approximately 50% of all local internet searches are performed on mobile devices? So the way local consumers find your business has changed forever. And what if I told you that you are literally blocking local consumers from accessing your business? If you do not have a mobile website, this is exactly what is happening to you. And here's why. 74% of consumers only wait 5 seconds for a web page to load before they leave the site. And nearly half of them won't return to your site after a bad viewing experience. Instead, they'll move on to one of your competitors' mobile-friendly websites. So you could be losing a lot of business and not even know it. Having a mobile website is a must today because mobile internet usage has grown 500% in the past 2 years and shows no signs of slowing down. Mobile websites load much faster than regular websites on mobile devices. Mobile websites give consumers the exact information they're looking for while on the go. Mobile internet users are more likely to take action within 24 hours of performing a search. Mobile websites will give users a stress-free way to tap into your business anytime, anywhere. Without a mobile site, you're literally turning potential customers away. Are you ready to fix this major obstacle that is keeping you from generating more sales? Contact us for more information today.